to search an image on Samsung S25, first of all, just go into the image that you want to search. In my case, I would like to search for this wallpaper. Now, you will have to click and hold on the home button if you are using 3 buttons navigation. If you are using gestures, you will have to also hold in this place. Now, just circle around your around your picture, and here you will be redirected into your browser, and here you can find some related searches. So you can go into all, into homework, some visual matches. There we go. You can also try another way. For example, you can get the Google Lens. So we can open simply Google app or Google Photos. Let's do this with Google Photos. There we go. And when you are here, you will have to get this photo that you want to search. So maybe let's try to get this one. And now go into Lens. And as you can see right now, we are searching for this product. In this case, we can also go for the visual matches. And that's how it actually works.